Yesterday, I gave you a rectangle challenge and here is how you can solve it. The rectangle has a perimeter of 36 centimeter and the length is twice its width. What is the area of the rectangle? And we all know that perimeter is the addition of all the sides we have in a shape. Speaking of a rectangle has two lengths and two breadth, right? The addition of the two lengths plus the addition of the two breadth is the perimeter of a rectangle. And the question says that perimeter is 36 centimeter. Let's say our perimeter is P, which is equals to 36 centimeter. And we're told that the length is twice its width. We can actually say this width here is representing the breadth. Instead of calling it breadth, we can still call it width. So which means our width is equals to our breadth, and let's just leave it as maybe W. Since we were given it as width, let's use W to represent it because it was unknown. But they said the length is twice the width. That is 2 times the width is our length, which means we have 2W to be our length. Then we have to substitute all this back into the formula of the perimeter, whereby our perimeter becomes 36 equals, we have 2, this L is 2W into bracket 2W plus, and the breadth, which we also call the width, becomes 2W because our breadth is still W. So we have 36 to be equals to 4W plus 2W. 36 equals 6W, and our W equals 36 divided by 6, which gives us 6 centimeter, which means the width is now 6 centimeter. Now that we've gotten the width, we can use this width to look for our length, because they said the length is twice the width, which means our L now will become 2W, which is 2 multiplied by 6, and that is 12. So the length is 12 centimeter and the breadth is, which is also the width, is 6 centimeter. But in the question, we are not asked to look for the length nor the width, but we are asked to look for the area of the rectangle. And the area of the rectangle is, that is, the area is equals to the length multiplied by the breadth, which is also the width. So we can easily say our 12 multiplied by what? Yes, multiplied by 6, which will give us, yes, 72 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Congrats to those who got the right answer. And if you did not get it right, I believe by now you've seen the way to go about the challenge. Meet you in my next video where I'll be dropping another challenge for us.